Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to become a mobile developer, what you need to do, whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up your skills. I've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, we have two main mobile platforms. We have iOS and we have Android. iOS are Apple devices like iPad and iPhones, while for Android we have Samsung, Google, OnePlus, and more. There are two major ways to build mobile apps. We have native development and we have cross-platform development. Native development means using tools specific to iOS or to Android, while cross-platform lets you write one code for both mobile platforms. Choosing the right tools depends on your goal. If you want to specialize, you need to learn Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. But if you want to reach both platforms quickly, you learn cross-platform frameworks like Flutter or React Native. Now that you know the languages you need to learn, here's your roadmap on how to get started. You need to learn programming fundamentals, learn language like Dart for Flutter, JavaScript for React Native, or the basics of Swift and Kotlin. You also need to get comfortable with Git and GitHub and understand how apps are structured. There are free resources like the Free Code Camp, YouTube tutorials like this one, like the one I do on this channel, and you can also check official documentation of each language. Once you've got the basics, it's time to build your first app. Start small, maybe a to-do list app or a weather app. The goal is to apply what you've learned and get a feel for the development process. After your first app, it's time to level up. You learn about integrating APIs, you add animations, and also writing tests to ensure your app works smoothly. These are the skills that will make you stand out as a mobile developer. Becoming a mobile developer is actually very possible. You just need to be consistent and practice more and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next lesson, guys.